Hi guys, in today's tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to do 3D 2 split in Funimate. Want this? Alright, let's start. First go to 3D scene. Now add your clip. You can adjust your duration. You can also change your scale, bigger or smaller. Now go to Effects and pick Linear White. Progress 50. Angle to 170. Now go to Transform and go to the Rotation X. Rotation X, -20. Duplicate your first clip. Now go to your second clip and Linear White. Progress 50. Angle 90. Now go to Transform and change Rotation X. Rotation X, 20. Now add parent layer and select the 2 clip as a child. Now go to Transform and Rotation Y and put keyframe at the start and at the end. First keyframe, 0. Second keyframe, 0. Just look at it cause it's hard to explain. Copy my graph. Add motion blur. You're done! Thank you so much for watching. You can also suggest any tutorials you want me to do in the comments. Bye!